Hey everyone, friends, this is Valor's channel. Today I'll show you how to make a chunk loader in Minecraft Bedrock. For this, you'll need these items and these 3 minecarts. First, we build a portal to the Nether. Oops. Like this. Next, dig out 3 blocks this way. Place a hopper here. Put any solid block here and place a repeater here. Dig 3 blocks like this, place a redstone torch here and put a lever here. Place any block on top, then put rails like this. Next, send the minecart under the portal. Light the portal and enter it. Next, you need to light fire on both sides. For this, we'll need cobblestone from the Nether. I'll try to find it now. Here's some netherrack. Place it and light it on fire. After that, return back. There. Next, put our minecarts in the repeater and place them here. And just like that, we've activated our chunk loader. That's all. This has been Velor. Goodbye, everyone.